Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing with you all of my favorite products available on Amazon. I have seen this video circulating for a while now, and I just feel like this is the best idea ever. It is so practical. So we use Amazon Prime, and that's free 2-day shipping. If you don't have it, it's not a big deal, but I totally recommend it because it's just like so handy and helpful. And for us, we use Amazon because I can find a lot of things on Amazon that are way cheaper than I can find them in person at a Target or an Ulta or, you know, like stores like that. And also, of course, for things I can't find in person. So I will link everything in the description box. And also, if you guys are wondering like where I am, I've never filmed in here. I'm in my bedroom. I talked about it in the last video that went up, like where things are from. And then I will talk about a few more things in the next video that I already started filming. So definitely watch those videos if you guys are wondering where anything's from. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And let's get started. So the first thing is Amazon Alexa, and my husband purchased this. I just kind of like rolled my eyes at first thinking, why do we need that? It seemed like such a waste to me, but it actually has a lot of really cool features and now I love it. So there are a few forms of Alexa. We have one in the kitchen and then one in our bedroom. And it basically is like Siri. She can answer like what the weather is, who won a sports game. She can tell you the news, a bunch of different things like that. But you also can get Philips Hue, which are these light bulbs, like smart bulbs. And there's an app for it on your phone. So you can turn the lights on and off on your phone. And then you can also say, Alexa, turn the lights on, Alexa, turn the lights off, and she will do it. And it's just so cool. It's so handy to have. It obviously isn't like an essential thing to have, but it's just like one of those fun things to have in your house. And then I also should mention with Alexa, it's not like a monthly subscription or anything like that. It's just like a one-time purchase, and they are pretty affordable. So definitely check those out. It totally is like an extra thing, like I said, but it's just so fun to have in your house. So the next product is a sunless tanner, and this is by Fake Bake. It's called Flawless. I know that Fake Bake has a few self-tanning products. Flawless is the only one that I've ever used, and I love it. A few years ago, I used to be obsessed with this. I don't know why I stopped using it. I just kind of forgot about it. But I used to purchase this from Ulta for $24. I found it on Amazon for $14. So that's why I love Amazon. You can save so much money, but it isn't streaky. It comes with a mitt, and I don't have a cap on it. I'm sitting on a white bed, so I'm kind of scared, but I love this so much. It looks really natural, and it's just perfect. It's so good for the money. I highly recommend this. So the next product is my phone case. This was only $7.99, and it comes in like 15 versions. So if you aren't a fan of the pink, white, and gray, I'm sure there's one that you will like. The pop socket, if you're wondering, is from Target. That's not from Amazon. But I don't know. I'm not the kind of person that would spend like $40 on a phone case. I know a lot of people would, but I don't know. That's just something I think I could find for way cheaper online. So I love this so much. It doesn't have like a shield on the front, but I just think it's really cute, and I love how thin it is, but it feels like really nice quality, especially for the price. So yeah, I definitely recommend that. And the next thing is the Meyers line of household products for cleaning. We recently have been using a lot of these, and I buy this on Amazon because it is way cheaper than you can find it at the grocery store. It is, it's all natural, or it's almost all natural. What is it? 98% all natural, and I love the lemon verbena. That one is my favorite scent, but there are a lot of scents, and it's just, I don't know, like harsh chemicals and stuff kind of scare me, especially if I'm using them on an everyday basis when I'm just wiping off the counter and things like that. I feel like something that is a natural product and has like a nice smell, and I don't worry about having like, you know, like spraying something with harsh products around food and stuff. So I love these so much. This one is the multi-surface, and this one is the surface scrub. So I use this one on the stove today, and I use the multi-surface like on the kitchen counters, on the coffee table, in our bedroom, like on the nightstands and stuff like that. And I don't worry about, you know, like harsh chemicals and stuff. So I love these. So the next product is kind of like Fake Bake. It's something I used to use a long time ago, stopped using it, and I don't know why I ever stopped. And it's a 10. So this is a leave-in hair treatment. The one that I have is Plus Keratin. I know there's also a regular one, but I really recommend the Plus Keratin. And of course, the reason I buy this on Amazon is because it is way cheaper than in person. So I cannot say enough things about this, you guys. I really, really love it. If you have frizz, if your hair is tangly, if there's one thing that you want to change about your hair, then you totally need this. And I just feel like this is like such a good product because when I blow dry my hair, I'm really lazy about it. I just kind of like flip it from side to side. I don't really do anything special at all, but right before I blow dry my hair, I just spray this in my hair, or actually I like to spray it in my hands and then like run my fingers through my hair, and once it's fully dried, it looks so good. It looks like someone spent so much time on my hair. I don't even know, like it's a huge difference. It honestly looks like my hair was styled by a hairstylist because the root is really full, my hair is really soft and silky and smooth and straight. It looks like someone had like a round brush and was doing it that way, but the only thing I was doing was flipping my hair around. It just seriously makes your hair look so good, and it's way cheaper on Amazon, so definitely buy it there. And the last thing are a pair of sunglasses from Amazon, of course, for really cheap. I think these are like around $13. I have this pair, I have them in pink as well, and they're by Sohos. I think Sohos has their own website, but I feel like pretty much everyone finds them on Amazon. They have a lot of sunglasses that are very inexpensive, that look so much more expensive than they are, so I totally recommend them. I will link them below. You've probably heard me talk about these before, but if there's like one thing that I think of from Amazon that is just like so good are the Sohos line of sunglasses. Really cheap and really stylish, and just totally worth like scrolling through all of their options because there are so many. And those are all of the products for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe and thumbs up if you did, and write a comment. Let me know what your favorite products on Amazon are, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!